Hey everybody, welcome again to Bishoff's Basement. Thank you for coming. Glad you're here. Literally couldn't do it without you. That's the whole point. So anyway, we're going to work with triangles again. I think this is the last project for a bit using the triangles. Again, it's going to be in our packet. You want to navigate yourself to find this page. This is the actual intro page for triangles. I went to the second one, the last project that we worked on. I did that one first because it didn't involve any measurements, and it was more about angles, right? So this is the last project you worked on. So this is the one we're working on today. So I'm going to read this to you and go over what we're doing, and then we'll do this drawing down here. And I think that's going to be it for today. So anyway, excuse me. Let me get right to it. All right. So triangles, usually made of clear tinted plastic, are used for drawing vertical and angular lines. Drafters use the 30-60 triangle, which contains 30 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree angles, and the 45-90 triangle, which is made up of two 45 degree angles and one 90 degree angle. We already talked about this. This is review. To use a triangle, hold it firmly against the top edge of the T-square or parallel rule, which we don't have. So we're going to be lining everything up. Again, we're going to be using the horizontal lines on the page as our T-squares or our parallel rule, since we don't have one. It's a little more difficult. For those of you who go on to take drafting from me again or do more drafting with me, I think you're really going to enjoy the drawing tables because they work a lot better than what we're doing now. But this still works. Draw a vertical or angular line by placing the pencil point against the triangle and pulling it upward to draw a line from bottom to top. Do not apply too much pressure, as it will form grooves in the paper that cannot be removed. Now, sometimes you do want to draw a really thick, dark line, and if that's the case, use the 0.9 pencil. The 0.9 millimeter is the one that has the white eraser and is full color. When you're wanting to draw lighter lines, you might use the 0.5 pencil. That is the one that has the gray eraser and the gray tip. I think the colors are all different, but this is for your light lines. This is for your dark lines. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll do a whole drawing using the light ones, and then I'll darken it using the dark one, which is what I'm going to do today. Holding the triangle and T-square firmly without movement will ensure parallel lines every time. To prevent smearing when drawing vertical or angular lines, always work from left to right, crossing the sheet. And that's true. If you draw a line and drag your triangle across it, you might smudge it. Okay. Angles that can be drawn using only the 30, 60, 45, 90 triangle. 30 degree, 60 degree, 150 degree. This again is all review. You can draw a 90 degree with either one. So here's the 30-60, just to be clear. This is 30 degrees, and this is 60 degrees. And then here we have, because when you flip it up this way, you can also do 120 degrees, 60 degrees. And then here's our 45. Our 45 allows us to draw 135, 45s, and 90s. All right, let's give this a try. I've never done this before. So I'm going to pause this video, start the next one, and the next one, we will start working on this portion of the worksheet. See you back here in a minute.